Hello! Hello guys! Now we're gonna make a mukbang! Yeah! We have this peach flavored drink. Now let's drink it.
Mix it.
I drink only. Cheers! Dapat ipababaw kayo para makitaon. Cheers!
Kaon na kami na.
Guys, it's yummy. Now let's eat.
Yeah.
Look at mine. Look at mine. Woo, 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 woo. Where, oh, look at the nose.
Haha.
Wow. Lala, look at my mouth. What happened to my sauce? No.
Cheers. We're not gonna cheers only one time.
Dapat hindi. In the same time, we drink. Tsaka first time. Dapat ipakita mo. Dapat ipakita mo kay Gamo na ang mukbang.
Look at mine, there's nothing pa.
I live in Kingdom Subdivision in Victoria City. Okay. Oh, look at my arm. I ate my purple arm.
I live in Kitan Subdivision.
And I live in Philippines.
Me too.
And
I'm one flag, may red, kag blue na, kag may white.
okay.
Wala na yellow because ang Philippines lain na iya.
Oo, ang sun kag stars lang ang yellow.
Lain pa yan ang flag.
Bubbles. 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 See, that's
I think, guys,
Yeah.
it's moving.
May gagamove ako. Dahil naghukas sa school.
Akong gani man.
Comment below if where do you live. Ay, sorry, Zay.
Patay ko na yung aircon. Yeah.
Like if you already tried corn dogs.
Yeah.
And subscribe if you already tried shawarma.
Yeah.
Dapat may napkins. Yeah, tissue.
Beauties. Aram na yung mura na, bala? Ari ka siya.
Ano sa kayo?
Ari na, oh. Duwaan na mo na, tingin na da.
May idea ko. Amhan yan. Kay para daw damo napkins ta. Daramhan kay para damo napkins ta.
I'm gonna put, wait, I'll put my tissue here. I'll do like this.
Dapat ibutang dire oh.
I'll put my corn dog there and open this.
Corn dog mo ano?
I don't know. I just draw and this happened. Now let's eat my corn. Our dog, corn dog.
Yeah, I can open it.
Hmm?
Open it, please.
I don't know how to open it. Open kaya na ako.
Please.
Dapat baka open please.
I already said that, please.
Nagkambal ka lang, please. Wala ka nag-aambal. Open, please. Ambal, dapat open.
Okay.
Zaira, can you hold this for me, please? Done.
Huwag yung tugian ko na lang ako. Tara, para hindi mo ano.
I'm putting the sauce here.
My wool.
Ta-da!
I'm 6 years old. I am 6 years old.
Me too.
Siya po sa shawarma mo. Amo na siyang kutsara. Tapos nakamo. Shawarma ka mga.
Amo lang kutsara, kag
Oo.
tinidor.
Pero na yung marble.
Yummy, so yummy because the sauce is so yummy.
Yeah.
And I made a masterpiece. Daira, honey, bilang corn dog mo. Daira, give me your corn dog.
You ruined my sauce.
Don't talk while eating.
Hindi ko mapa.
Amo na, permisi ayaw ko.
Nga. Tanog din ko. Ano ko na tayo.
Hindi, maukuha. I'm trying to get it out, but it's not getting out. Alice?
Good afternoon.
We have a visitor.
Yeah,
We have
we're
a...
doing a mukbang.
Wow, you're watching mukbang. Mukbang, hi!
It was there the whole time.
Eh, dito ito na ang ano?
Ha?
Ang bubble ba?
Oh, kita to bla. Di ka na ako pati niron. Dahil kayo ba, anak ko si Yana, kung sa sabaw?
Oo.
Eh, sabaw lang yung dito siya. Ako, mo sa kataunutan.
Okay.
Oh, you have a good delivery? Oh, no.
Ow! I just bite the stick.
We have a guest. Wow. I will
Idi
take
wow.
some picture
There,
of you
napakita.
because I will send to
Islugan
mommy.
Napang-send ko na.
Ay, pang-send ka na.
Hindi ko na sa sulod.
I don't like this.
Whoa,
Ah,
where? Where?
I don't like the cheese.
Very good, very
What
good.
cheese? Zaira, it's doggy.
Okay, okay. Oh, be careful.
Zaira, it's
Ah.
doggy.
Oh, sige. Ang kabot kasi maipit ang kabot.
Zaira!
Wait.
Hindi na kung kitaon.
Okay, di sana kitaan. Share. Okay. Tapos, where am I?
May drink ko.
Okay. Tapos, where am I?
Hey!
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Nagutot pagit ko.
Oh, no. Okay.
Alagin po sa limaw. May agad.
Look at me.
Ano?
Hindi nga doon nga ano eh.
Nga.
Ang puso ni Mami na.
Ang ano?
Araw. Sa'yo mo.
Yeah, yeah, yo. Yeah, yeah, yo, yo.
This is the sign.
Yeah. I should oink. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I love the sauce so much. Now let me eat it over here. I just ate the sauce.
Why? So why?
Remove that carton. So that's no, you're covering your video. Remove that carton away.
Because I have tissue. My,
I'm making a masterpiece. Look at my masterpiece.
it is water. Show it to the beauty.
Hmm?
Good idea. Hindi na. Kaya makinamot
Yeah,
ka.
ganito bit.
Ano naman ito pinanop?
Ang kanon tayo. Ang kanon nga may subay, dala di be.
Yana?
Bakit ito sa bahay?
From the hot dog. I-show kayo.
First. Why?
I-show sa video.
That is my favorite.
Hot dog corn. Corn dog. Corn dog. Corn dog. Wait, there was cheese a lot of. Hot dog, corn dog, boom boom papaya.
My hot dog is falling apart.
My hot dog is boom boom. Get inside.
My hot dog is inside. Wait.
Kanon mo rin nga. Kaya ginasangaga.
O ano na sa? Ang?
Ang kanon mo ni ano.
Okay, dala di.
Galing mo yung gintigang pa ito.
Okay. Aray, kanon tayo kay kanugon. Ang imo da sa bo ininit. Oh, sige na may kaso. Wala man ni gilaway.
Bakit na?
Hindi ni panos.
Hindi na.
Okay ka basta dahil kay tsura yo.
Okay.
Hindi, paanta lang ka de.
Ay na lang pala. Kay do ka ano
How did
do
you
ka
put it there?
basta man ako.
I want my food.
You want the hot dog take it out?
No. Yeah. Can you do it for me?
Okay.
Because I don't want to eat the hot dog. Girl.
I can't see the hot dog. The hot dog is inside. How?
5 little monkey, Humpy Dumpy. I can see it.
Bruh, it's inside.
It is inside, but it now. I don't want to get out. Because gaag yung hole. Can my hole?
We're gonna get it the hot dog out.
It's okay.
What? You really want to eat the hot dog?
No.
Stop! Zaira, hindi ka naman kitaon.
Ano, tanong na lang yung ano mo. May shawarma, baka mo nagla.
Hindi. Wait, anay, guys. Tangang tanan mo da na sa darao. Yaya! Dali, di. Ipaamhan ni ang ako nari, okay? I thank you. Ibutang ang tanan mo na sauce dara. Okay, para masasaw mo. Hindi ko maputang. I'm pushing it. Jutay na lang. Ah! Nagdagdag pa! Ah!
Kasama dyan ko.
Nako.
Na ano ka man?
Dagdagan nga ako.
Ay, wala na. Gasabad-sabad ako. Nya, nya. Nya, nya.
Uy!
Hi, the monkey.
Oo.
It's okay.
Yaya, hindi gusto ni Zaira ang crunchy.
No problem.
Tatag na
Just
lang.
leave it there. Just leave it there.
Yatag sa idog.
No.
Ay.
I am the dog. I will eat it. Give me the crunchy. Give me the crunchy. Give me the crunchy. I am the dog.
It's
Yeah,
so
good.
funny.
Makaw, natin.
I'm cleaning the floor. Mustard.
Yay, mama, idea ko. Ano may daan? Dapat gasidhig ka. O gali. Hindi ka kita. Umayo, Zay. Kiss dudi. Na, naman na. Hindi, nako. Hotdog.
Para na.
Kan, hotdog lang kan, eh. Hindi ko hotdog. Oh no, my stick. Ayun. My, broken. Oh no. Psych. Psych.
Thanks. Kamba ko yaya type.
Mama.
I'm done.
What is that? What is that?
You want more sauce? Hindi na ko. So, eat the hot doggy. And naman the hot dog, pupoy. Here is your boom boom papayo.
Ruff, wuff. Ha?
Sanchez.
So, okay, kunin ko makaabak. Okay. Lola, to
Sana
sana.
kay Bernabe, nung natag ko na, nag-chat ko na kay Dara Bernabe.
Yes, what?
Bernabe, kanto din.
Just chop our-
Pangita ko, pingala. Pangita ko, oo. Pangita ko.
Ayun,
Kita umada.
Baka na ako lang.
Oo.
Play ka yun outside.
Wait.
Diana, play ka yun outside.
Oh, you can play, yeah.
But
Careful
wait
with the
for...
dog, ha? Di ka mo...
Kaya, but wait for a few minutes. Kay masuka ka na karon.
Oo,
I
just
know.
relax
Si
first.
sang lunch kami galing. Si Jack kag si Martin. Kag Galagan.
Oo.
Tapos nilait.
Di masuka na sila.
Nambalan ko si Gani. Kasmate ko si Shell. Ligad sang pagkaon ko
Ako gani ka.
sa bakulod sang gakaon ko nag-ara ko sa kwarto nagtumbo-tumbo ko wala ko nagsuka galing nahapo ko.
Ay, busog ka mo?
Akong gani classmate si Bunda nagsuka damo-damo na times. Kabehave man lang sa dayo nasuka sa how many times?
Like 5 times.
Ew.
That is dangerous.
And the classmate.
Where is our shawarma? Yeah! Let me go get her first. Why is my slipper over there? Wait, guys, let me get my yaya. What are you doing, Boboy? Yeah! Dito shawarma na.
Mm.
Asa? Diyan na lang ah.
Just wait, just wait. Just wait, Yaya will serve you. No, 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 no. Just wait, Yana. Just sit down, wait for the waiter to serve you.
Waiter?
Hmm.
Are we in a hotel?
Yes.
We're not in a hotel. This is our house.
Yeah. But we have a visitor. Your special friend. Yeah.
She's just coming over to play.
Yeah. So we have to wait for the waiter, and we order. Waiter, give me a shawarma rice.
Dapat sa buho, malibutang ko. Ew. Ibutang mo dapat sa buho. Oh. I thank you very much, Mom. Thank you very much, Mom.
Huh?
I got some more ice.
Wala tayo sa sakon.
It's okay, Zay. Oh, ako sino taas. Ikaw taas. Ako lubos na lang.
Utang, 5,000 na lang kami.
Wala man to ice.
No.
But it's still cold.
Makaon ka mo, si Warma?
Mm-mm.
Oh.
Di ba sinuklad ba to?
Excuse Then, excuse That was not a burp. That was a buko.
So, inisip ko si Libby. Anong to reklamo?
Excuse me. Kay 5 pa ko no.
Excuse me. Ibi-ibi. Excuse me. I didn't mean to. Ibi-ibayabo. Sorry, embarrassing it. Just kidding. Kaya embarrassing.
Nagkakaon kaya siya yung mga araw, mga corn. Nagkakaon ka na yan. Nagkakaon siya yung rayagan. Oh?
Yan. Kaya na nga, clean.
Tangkwaan ko na yan.
Oo.
I don't like vegetables. I only like the carrots and the corn.
Diin ang kwanin ko si Shaira. Iya ko Sara.
Ari,
I don't like the beads.
Yeah.
Beads? What's beads? Oh, this is the green. I only like the corn, but not in it.
Just separate it from another plate so that the dog will eat after you. I am the dog. You separate it and I will eat it.
Hello. Hey, Zaya. I need to get my sauce. Blackpink in
Wala
your
binuntot ka yan?
area?
600.
Nag-watch the Black... Yada. Zaira, naglanda ako. Blackpink in your area. Sangginaw, sang wala papadi.
Para pareho ka muna, Shaira.
Abi ko, black. Parehas sa migad. No, look. Fast!
So the waiter is serving you.
You are the waiter, Momo. Amoy ko.
Mura ka, Shaira.
Na ano?
Amol. Oh no, thank you. What is it? Kiss.
Naurat niya ang corn dog niya.
Okay. Kasi naman okay.
Sana, Zaira, may swing kami. Then, Tita Saga, Momo, can you prepare the swing for us?
Hindi na ka motor. Kaya may may motor.
Yung motor?
Di ko ai.
Dili lang ka mo bala. Dili lang ka mo to sulod, oh.
Zaira wants to play
Because there is a
outside.
dog. Sarah is maybe the dog will come to Sarah and
Zaira wants to play outside.
What? Later.
Hindi, damo toy mo, ano, ng toys nga iba. Nato pa to sa basket.
Kani. Sigwa ko siya sa...
Aircon ka mo na duwa.
First sa sulod, hambal ni Zaira dayon sa gwa. Updan mo kami sa gwa, ha? Magbay kami, ha?
I want the small one. The small like ito ba sa miga nandun
Ay,
kasi
Small bag?
yog.
Te, ako ng green eh.
Ako
Momo, can you...
purple.
Ha?
Akong purple.
Pink to, yeah?
Ay,
Wow, can you put us the door? Swing?
Wait, okay.
Yay!
Okay.
Zaira, let's not make a race. I mean, hamba ko race, galing race. But, Zaira, dapat ma-follow ka sa akon kung din ka, tama ka to. Asa sa punta ko.
okay.
You, after eating, before eating, I mean, after eating, dugay-dugay,
Tatlo to mo.
ma-bike na ta, dayon, mapuli, 30 minutes kami to, ha?
Okay.
I want to separate the green one.
Te, ipa-separate kaya ako. Yaya, i-separate ang mga beads.
Ang green lang. I like the carrots and the corn.
Green lang. Green peas.
Yan po. Yeah.
I mean, pink.
Is jalapeno.
Ako niya, messy. Kung magkaon shawarma. Dasig kung magkaon shawarma. Ah, dog.
Hindi ka mo bala magsakitan ay naduwa. Kay kalawa.
Zaira, kung dasig kung magkaon shawarma.
Oo, dasig na siya yan.
Si Tina, gani, kaya nahihinay, kag hindi maubos.
Kay ano ya? Kay Liana, ubos na niya. Basta siya warma lang yan.
Ako gani, naubos ko man akong shawarma. Who's that for, Bodo? Zaira, fast. Ka magkaon shawarma. Ako. Tina, sang ligat gusto ni Tina shawarma, then pagkaan ko siya. Hindi man sa gali. Kaya wala, na-try yan na. Hindi, wala pa. Hindi ko nagaan ko sa, hindi man sa gusto. Kaya ba sinaluwayan siya?
Ah?
Basta. Yan, right? Pakita. Ikaw, pag hindi pakita. Ow.
Pick danay.
Namba ko?
Picture.
Tuli, kag nagama ko ni.
Yeah.
Sana all. What is this? Ano? Where? Where one? Where? Where, mama? That one. Don't give it to me. Yaya. What is that?
Ang hindi nyo na, butang da, okay?
Diri, butang.
Kanya.
There's some more beads for me. purple, purple. Wow.
Shawarma naman.
No, where are the small beads? Okay, no more. Do you know?
Kasi sinunod mo yung Shai? Hindi ka na ni Shai?
Ano, guys? Ano, guys?
Do you know? Do you know factory brush?
Huh? Who pila? I mean, who's her crushes?
Gorbach, Calvin, J.
Hindi, don't tell it to them. Who's Calvin?
Calvin, wala nang ano.
Ito yun ang
Si
magkalbo ba?
Cedric. Ang manong ni Cedric.
Calvin Calbo?
DJ RPG? Abi ko isa. Stop! Put it over here.
In the middle.
Yeah.
Na magpapatay mo.
Yeah. Layo-layo tayo, diba? 1 up to 31, 54.
Ito na.
This one is
Ito na, guys.
shawarma. Kag, ang first one, corn dog. And
Second.
remember, like for corn dog and subscribe for shawarma.
Like. Wala na, may beads.
Ayo, oh. Thanks, Dad. You are my best friend forever. For 2 years.
2 years na?
2 years kami best friends.
Ah?
Oo.
Oh my God!
Nano si Yaya man?
That's 100 years. Because we are the very, very best friend. First time pa lang tagali nagkita isang baby ta.
Di, asang 4 years old ta.
Ay, gali.
Sang tutura ni Ma'am Susan, I was shocked. Sang pag first time ko,
Peanut butter.
don't eat Nutella. And something will happen to your blood. It will come here.
Oh.
It will come here.
Yeah.
And
If
I
you
just
eat
forgot.
Nutella-
I forgot what did Job said because I forgot something
If you
about
eat
it.
Nutella, your blood will be Nutella.
Hindi wala lain. It's not the truth. The truth is something. I just forgot the truth. And Nutella's not real food. If you're eating Nutella, you're not eating real food.
Don't
No.
eat. I got a bad news.
Yeah. Say it.
If you eat bubble gum, we will throw it somewhere, but not in the trash can. People will collect it, and you will prepare a new one. If you buy it, you will get germs in your mouth.
I don't do that.
Me too.
I don't eat candy, but not bubble gum. I eat
I
candy.
eat bubble
and
gum
then-
sometimes.
Oh, I eat bubble gum and then I ate so much one bubble gum and then
I eat some bubble gum.
and then I throw it in the floor.
put it in the trash can.
Oh, telling me.
I only eat bubble
But
gum.
no one didn't pick
Yeah.
it up. No one didn't pick it up.
I only eat bubble gum sometimes.
Guys, don't eat Nutella. And don't throw your gum in the floor. Throw it in the trash can.
Yeah. Because you will get germs if they're gonna prepare a new one.
Yeah. And then you'll become sick, and then you'll go to the doctor.
Yeah, to a dentist.
No, this not.
Yeah,
Sa
do you
Tina
know?
yan?
I know. Do you know si Tina, magpa-dentist, kag mabutang sa braces.
Yeah!
Because siya ti kagwa, hindi ka sulod, dapat amo na gandi about oh.
Not hard, so I'm not.
Kung gani.
Sang pag ano ko, sang pag,
I'm almost done.
sang pagkado ko sa dentist, nag-cry ko a little, but I was brave, and in the end, I was super happy.
Popsicle.
Because I will have
Popsicle.
I was gonna be happy because I have, guess,
What? Happy?
ice cream.
Popsicle. Shawarma. Can I eat this?
Mine is on a plate. That's why you can see it. Cheers, everybody! Come eat with us.
Wait. ASMR.
ASMR. The sound I. There's another one.
I'm almost done.
Yung pag-clap ko, nagdagdag na yun. I'm sorry.
Guys, we're not done yet eating. Because we got corn dog, shawarma.
The dog will eat it. My woo-woo dog eats it.
First, we got juice, corn dog, and shawarma. We got 3 food.
No, we have 2.
Dudo. Rihanna.
I'm gonna eat faster than you.
Dali, alam mo na, ang kana ni Sarah. Oh.
I don't like big.
Tama na na. Kaya iti, ano? Sarah.
Your hair's messy. Ow.
But cool.
Sulit naman eh. Hindi. That's mine. This is salmon. Smell it. You're bully. You're the smell your bully. Because you sit mo na. You sit on it.
I already know how to pose, guys.
Oh no.
Do you know I got good news? My mommy haircut and Iya hairdo. See with
Zaira, speak English. Speak English.
Yeah,
Speak English.
I am speaking English.
Yun ang hamba. You speak Ilonggo.
No, we're not.
You speak English and then you speak Ilonggo.
I speak 2 of them.
Oh, okay. So say it. Say your good news.
My mommy hair is smell.
Mommy's?
Mommy? Pwede man mother. Ilonggo gali. An mother ya Ilonggo na gali.
Di ah?
Ay,
Mama?
my mama, my mommy is haircut and he's so guapa. He's so pretty.
And
And Iya hair.
it's seaweed.
Yeah.
It smells like seaweed. we're not twins and we're not sisters. We're just best friends.
Yeah. Because I love Liana so much to be my best friend.
And I love Zara so much to be my best friend.
Also, Alexa.
Besties.
Alexa always away me.
Alexa sometimes away me. And but she's our very best friend.
Yeah. Only very one. Because sometimes, kung naaway ako, kapalibat ko, dayon, lang gusto yun naman ma-friend, hindi ko gusto, batambat ko. But, be nice to me.
Hambal ko.
Haba ko, but,
Zaira.
buli.
Zaira. Sang pag
Nagutot ko.
tingala ko may sound. Sang pag team yellow ko. Kag si Alexa team red. Kag ikaw team red. Si Alexa ginaway ako. Dayon, hamba ko, we're not friends anymore. Hamba ya, Liana, let's be friends again. Hambal ko, no, because you started with it. And then she said, Dayon?
We said dayon! The same
Ay,
time.
lagi ka mo ba tayo?
Dayon,
Daira,
best
dayon.
friend na sila.
Hindi,
Kagabi.
Zaira! Dayon, I was trying to be her friend. She said, no! Run away siya. Dayon, sa ngara ko sa bago, gasend ko angry emojis. Dayon, in kinder, our Wawa said, say sorry, and we said sorry, and we're best friends for again. And Alexa, take me somewhere.
Dayon. So only God, may story ko bla. Guys. At was once upon a time,
Okay.
I with my friend in kinder. And my red team and Liana were trying to play an Alexa. But Alexa and Liana away. And Alexa wants me. And Liana wants me also. And next, they're awaying. So they're best friends now in Bago. And Alexa and Liana were best friends forever now. The end.
It's so fast. I have one thing to say. Something happened. I just forgot something. The one that we did to Alexa, and then she was so sad, and she was in our assistant teacher, and then we were. Zaira has an idea, and she said, we will fall down, and then we made phones, and then and then something happened to me, and then we became best friends again with my friend Alexa.
Yeah.
Right? That was in kinder. Now we're grade 1 now. Yeah, no.
Bicol niya Sabio. He's
If
Bicol.
you want to ride on a bicycle,
Hindi nako!
hindi ka na lang mag-ride.
Hindi na ako makaon. Ano?
Save na lang for it.
Ano sa inyo? Later na lang ano eh. Kay kakait pa man kamo. Tabo na, way kaso ah.
Hindi na ako.
No, eat anay ah. Or eat after later. You eat that one.
Hindi na ako.
How about save it for later?
Save for
Yeah.
for today
Thanks,
karon.
Sarah. You're my very best friend.
There's something like... Let's go play marble.
Ako lang tumuupod sila. Para maka...
Bye, everyone!
We're gonna play marble!
Wait for the next channel.
Yeah.